Alright guys, welcome back. So in the last video, I showed you guys how to make a chatbot that can speak to a PDF or a Word document. And now today I'm going to show you how you can put that onto a Squarespace website. So this is the bot, you can see right here, pretty simple. If you want to see how we made it, you can refer back to our last video. I explained everything in depth. Alright, so you're going to want to go back to your dashboard up here, right? And hit integrations. Now, this is Webchat. Basically, Botpress Webchat just lets you customize the bot and it gives you code that you can inject into a website. Look up Webchat Styler. This is a link, you can find it here. And it'll show you how you can actually style the entire thing, right? So let's say the widget color, I want it to be like, let's say like a darker color, right? So now you can see what it kind of pops up as like down here, right? It's a different color. And try again. Let's make it like green. Now that's a green, right? So you can basically fit it however you'd like on your website. You can also add like an image URL if you want like a completely different picture on there. Okay. Let's open this so we can look at it live, right? Header background. Now I want to make it, let's say like a darker color, right? I can make it a black. Or I can make it a nice blue color, right? Let's stick with that, right? Now the background, depending on how you want to contrast it, what your website looks like, everything, we can make that black. I kind of prefer like a dark mode kind of look, so we'll stick with that. Now you can see the bot avatar color as well, so that'd be like this little thing right here. I can change that. Right now it's like a red. I can change it to like a black. I could change it to like a full white, which not a good idea because the lettering is white. Now let's try to make it like somewhat decent looking. Let's try to like match that with the header, which there you go. So that's the sound of the same color now. Bot bubble color. We can change that. I like to do like a nice like gray maybe, like maybe a little lighter than that. Something like that. Right? Bot bubble text, so that's just black, that's fine. User bubble color, so when I say something like hi, it'll come up as like this color right here. So I can switch that out. I can make that like pink. I can make that like this color. Let's try to make that like the same blue. Give it a consistent color theme here. Alright. Now it kind of looks like iMessage or something like that, you know what I mean? So it's a familiar look, which is good for users and anyone that's looking at your bot. Right? So now we got the user bubble text. So just the text, I can change to white. I can make it like red. I can make it, whatever. It's white's optimal. Alright, so border radius, I don't really recommend doing too much with that. So like, I can put up to 11 and it doesn't really change much. But like 113, it just looks like kind of weird, right? It's not much of a point messing with that, right? Let's go with just a nice 10. So I can, basically, this is where I can position it. So I can move it vertically by like 50%. And it'll move a little bit upwards. Let's say like 200%. It'll be up there now, right? Now let's keep it like down there. Okay. Horizontally, obviously, I can move that like 40, wherever I want it. Let's say like a nice like 10, just like default, right? Height, you can do like a 40. I like to do like a nice like 50 about. That's typically a good look. Width, honestly, it's good at 360. Now it all depends on your website. So you can come back and like, you can just change it up and like do whatever you need to do. Right to left, you don't really have to do this for like other languages like Arabic and Hebrew. Not really much of a point touching that, right? Now what you do here is you generate the link, okay? And this is what goes back into the Botpress dashboards. All right, so now we have this link that lets us style our bot. So just hit copy there, come up to Botpress, and just paste that in right down there, okay? Now for the composer placeholder, this is basically where the user will type in their messages, and you can have like a little pre-typed message there. We can say like, chat with us, right? Bot description, we'll just say like, built by Synthesync AI. And the bot name, we can name it like just Jack. Do whatever you want, something simple. Doesn't matter. Save configuration. Alright, so now we have that. So we come over to configurable over here and we just copy this code. Alright, so you copy this, and now we're all done on the Botpress and the bot building end. Come over to your Squarespace site. You can just pick a template, doesn't matter. Anything, just customize your site, and you can start editing it, right? Now, it doesn't matter where, but anywhere you can just add a block and have an embed. So you can stick this wherever and edit this, go to code snippet, embed data, and then just copy that in, right? Preview and save mode, save, exit. Alright, so now my bot is here, this little green icon here. You click this, that can be like, how can I start an AI automation agency? And you give it a second, it'll answer you. There you go. So now it's embedded on the website. I can close this, explore my website, do whatever. Oh, I have a question, come back here. How do I create an amazing offer? And yeah, now you have a Squarespace website with a chatbot in it. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.